Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing like the weirdest sneeze ever. Like I have a really weird sneeze. Like, like everyone's always like laughing at me. They think it's fake, but it's not. Like, first like on my nose. Feel it coming. Oh my gosh, I sound like a dog. Like, you know how dogs like backwards sneeze? Like it's like a species of dog. I don't know. Well, like I can go like my voice. Sorry. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Like you have a weirder sneeze than me, like that. I doubt it though, cause like just saw a video earlier, like